The best drones under $500 offer a great balance of performance, camera quality, and smart flight features at an affordable price, and they often include GPS stability, HD or 4K cameras, and beginner-friendly controls, making them ideal for photography, travel, and recreational flying. Starting at number 1. Ruko F11 Gym Drones. The Ruko F11 Gym Drone is a versatile and advanced device designed for adult users, featuring an array of impressive specifications and functionalities. This app-controlled drone is compliant with FAA regulations, ensuring a hassle-free flying experience. It boasts a high-quality 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization, EIS, allowing for clear video capture at 30 frames per second and the ability to take 5x zoom photos. The camera has a wide 100-degree field of view that can be adjusted to 80 degrees and supports gesture shooting with footage stored on a microSD card of up to 128 GB. With a remarkable flight time of up to 56 minutes thanks to its two 2500 mAh batteries, which take approximately 4.5 hours to recharge, the F11 Gym ensures extended aerial adventures. Additionally, its GPS functionality and powerful brushless motors come equipped with intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest, providing users with a seamless flying experience without the worry of losing the drone. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720 GPS Drone. The Holy Stone HS720S is a versatile drone designed for adults, featuring a sleek black design and a range of impressive specifications. It is equipped with a 4K UHD camera that benefits from image stabilization technology, allowing users to capture high-resolution images and videos without camera shake. The drone boasts GPS-assisted intelligent flight capabilities, ensuring it can return automatically when the battery is low or the signal is lost. Additionally, it can follow the user, fly along preset paths, or circle around specific points, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. With 2 intelligent batteries providing a total flight time of 52 minutes, the HS720 also includes long-life brushless motors for quieter operation and lower power consumption. Its foldable design and included carrying case enhanced portability, while Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity facilitate easy operation. The drone is suitable for beginners with simple controls that make it accessible for new users. Included components are 2 drone batteries, a portable bag, propeller blades, and a transmitter. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720E Drone. The Holy Stone HS720E is a cutting-edge drone designed for adults, featuring a sleek black design and equipped with advanced technology for an exceptional flying experience. This FAA-compliant drone includes a remarkable 4K EIS electric image stabilization camera powered by a Sony sensor, ensuring high-quality video capture at a resolution of 3840x2160, free from blurring. The HS720E is designed for seamless outdoor flight, incorporating an integrated air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system, which enhances stability during operation. Additionally, it boasts GPS functionality and an auto-return-to-home feature, allowing users to explore confidently, knowing the drone will return safely. The package includes 2 drone batteries, a portable bag, 4 propeller blades, and a transmitter, making it suitable for all skill levels. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a lightweight design of just 45 grams, the Holy Stone HS720E is a versatile choice for drone enthusiasts. Number 4. Ruko F11 PRO Drones. The Ruko F11 PRO Drone is an excellent choice for beginners and a perfect gift for anyone curious about flying drones. Designed with user-friendly settings, it offers features like Follow Me, Fly Around, Point of Interest, and hand gesture shots, making it easy and fun to operate. With 2 11.1V 2500 mAh batteries, the drone provides up to 60 minutes of flight time, doubling the enjoyment. Safety is prioritized with GPS auto-return home, which ensures the drone returns to its takeoff location when it loses signal or has low power. The F11 PRO is built to withstand level 6 winds, thanks to its brushless motor and durable aluminum alloy casing. Additionally, it boasts an impressive 4K UHD camera, delivering stunning clarity and vibrant colors for both photos and videos. This drone is not only FAA compliant but also foldable for easy transport, making it a great addition to any enthusiast collection. Number 5. DERC D15 GPS Drone. The DERC D15 is a versatile drone designed for adults, featuring a video capture resolution of 4K, which ensures high-quality footage. It utilizes advanced 5G connectivity technology and operates through remote control, making it accessible for beginners. The drone comes equipped with a battery and supports video capture in 4K format, allowing users to capture stunning aerial views. Additionally, it employs cellular wireless communication technology, enhancing its connectivity and performance.